Do you really need to fast for 16 hours to lose weight? Or could a simple 12-hour fast, like eating dinner at 7 p.m. and breakfast at 7 a.m., actually work? Today, we'll uncover the truth behind the 12-hour fast and whether it's enough to trigger real fat loss. A 12-hour fast is one of the simplest forms of intermittent fasting. You eat all your meals within a 12-hour window, for example, from 7 a.m. to 7 p.m., and fast for the remaining 12 hours, usually overnight. Unlike longer fasting windows like 16:8 or 18.6, this method feels much easier and still gives your body time to rest and reset. When you stop eating for 12 hours, your insulin levels naturally drop. That means your body can start accessing stored fat for energy instead of burning only sugar from food. According to a 2019 study published in Cell Metabolism, even short fasting windows help regulate blood sugar and improve fat metabolism. Plus, fasting overnight supports your body's natural circadian rhythm, helping with better sleep, digestion, and recovery. Here's the truth. Yes, a 12-hour fast can support weight loss, but it depends on your eating habits during those 12 hours. If you eat balanced meals with enough protein, fiber, and healthy fats, your metabolism stays steady and you'll burn fat more efficiently. But if your 12-hour window includes processed snacks, sugary drinks, or late-night calories, fasting alone won't help. A 2021 review in Nutrients found that intermittent fasting works mainly by reducing total calorie intake, not just the fasting itself. A 12-hour fast is perfect for beginners who want to build healthy eating patterns without feeling deprived. It's gentle enough for most people and helps you become more mindful about when you eat. It can also help with bloating, energy crashes, and late-night cravings, especially if you pair it with whole, nutrient-dense foods. However, if your goal is rapid fat loss, you may not see dramatic results with just 12 hours of fasting. Your body might need a longer fasting window, like 14 or 16 hours, to reach deeper fat-burning stages called ketosis. Also, people with medical conditions, low blood sugar, or certain medications should talk to their doctor before starting any fasting plan. So, does a 12-hour fast work for weight loss? Yes, if you stay consistent, eat clean, and let your body naturally rest overnight. Think of it as your foundation fasting plan. Simple, sustainable, and the perfect place to start your journey toward better health. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe to NutriFacts with Simone for more science-backed tips on nutrition and metabolism. And tell me in the comments, have you tried fasting before, and how long did it take for you to see results?